I just picked up the Fitbit Charge 3. Came out a few days ago. I believe it came out Sunday, which would make that, what, October 8th? 8th or 7th? One of those. But here it is. I was way overdue for an upgrade because my Fitbit Charge 2 took a crap on me. It wouldn't hold a charge. So that was the issue that I had with mine. But it lasted me a good 2 years, maybe 2.5 years. So I'm not mad. A little mad, not gonna lie. But yeah, so here's the upgrade. The big thing with the new one is that it is now waterproof. So you can swim in it. Boom. It's a lot thinner, a lot slicker. The interface is a lot better and whatnot. So yeah. I'm gonna do a quick little unboxing so y'all can see what comes in it. There we go. So there it is. Now, one big difference with this Fitbit Charge 3 is that it doesn't have two different boxes that you get. Like with the Charge 2, you either had a small band box or you had to get a large band box. But what they did with this one is that it comes with a small and a large. Take this off. So boom, there it is in all of its glory. I believe there are two colors to choose from. This finish, which is black, and then there's a rose gold that comes with a it's like a lavender strap, and there's also a special edition that's like $20 more than this that has a NPC, so it has Fitbit Pay. So you can pretty much pay with your Fitbit. You just wave it over like the credit card machine, but not very many places have it. And I believe that comes with a white strap, and it's an athletic strap. So here's the buckle. It's a lot different than the two, and they have the small strap on it. You can't really tell right now, but when we look into the rest of this, here is the long strap. Now, another big difference is that the Fitbit Charge 2 came with two small straps or two big straps. What this does is this end is pretty much universal, and it's this end that's either small or short. So as you can see, the difference. So if you have a small wrist, you go with this guy. If you have a big wrist like mine, you go with this guy. And also, the way that you take them off is a little bit different. You simply just press that button and it comes straight out. Boom, boom. And it's on the other side as well. Boom, boom. So I'll go ahead and put the big strap on. There's that. And just to show you the difference between the way you put it on, with the 2 has these big ones right here, and these come off up and down. So it's a little different. And then also let me show you the difference between the two. So as you can see, the Fitbit Charge 3 is flush at the bottom, completely flush. Whereas the Charge 2, you have these two bumps. So it's definitely a lot lighter, and it's a lot more comfortable. Let me show you what else is in the box. So this is the charging cable thingy thing. The charging cable is a lot different as well. It's got a little upgrade. You can get the old one right over here. So here's the new. Here is the old, the Charge 2. So it's a lot smaller, a lot more compact. Right, and what else do we have? That's about it. Got some instructions, safety, and then you have just this instruction that keeps it pretty simple. Like that. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on wrist. Alright, there we go. Nice and flush. Super comfortable. Super comfy. And also a new thing about the Charge 3, I totally forgot, is that it doesn't have a button. So as you can see on the old one, it has this button on the side. But with this one, it kind of has like a fake button. So this, as you can see right here, there's no button at all, but it does respond when you touch it. So I'm going to go ahead and charge this up and boot it up, and I'll show you the difference between the screens and whatnot, because I know that with the old Charge 2 you have to do this tap thing and it's not really that responsive, as you can see. But with the new one, it's got a lot more going on with it, and it also has the new Gorilla Glass, so a lot of screen too. So we'll get to that in a minute. Alright, so we're all updated and we're running now. So let's see. There we go. So there's the face. You have an up feature. I mean, you have a down feature, so you can see like all your text notifications. And you just have your basic one right here with the heart rate. If you scroll to the right, I think, there you go. Then you can choose all your things. You got timers, alarms, even weather now, settings. Change the brightness, the vibration, whatnot. And I believe this fake button right here is to go back. So you can do strong, normal. I still need to get used to this button. Heart rate on. And when you press the button, the fake button, you feel a little vibration, which is kind of cool. You can probably hear it. So that's on, off. Let's see if there's a swipe this way. Nope. So yeah, and I believe you can also change the face, the watch face, through the app, but just to give you a real quick side by side. So you can see it does have a lot more screen, no button and whatnot, and again, it's a lot thinner. So yeah, that's my quick little unboxing review. I also heard that it also can track women's menstrual cycle or something like that. So it's got all kinds of cool new features and whatnot. Oh, there you go. You can see more stuff if you scroll that way. But yeah, can't wait to test this bad boy out this weekend. Hope y'all enjoyed.